And Toadman is going to show you guys how to dance Toadman style. Ready?
Let's go. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do some old school stuff now. The breaking now. Go back, not too far. Do the locking. The locking. Go back.
Locking.
Sick. Yeah, I got hella moves. Sick. Tutting now, tutting.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the camera. Strutting waves now, waves. Wave all your shit. Whoa. Yeah. Breaking now, breaking. Oh shit.
Great.
That looks sick, dude. Toadman, dance class number 1 million. Okay. That's good, Matt. Let's go to the interview now. So, where'd you learn all your stuff?
Well, breakdancing, the art form, purest art form came from New York City, 1976. South Bronx, Puerto Ricans. Puerto Ricans started the breakdancing movement because of martial arts called capoeira. That's from the East
Let's
Indies.
do a little capoeira right now.
Yeah.
Just a
I
little.
really never studied capoeira. I'm more like into the b-boying aspects of hip hop. Capoeira is martial arts.
We can do a little capoeira right
Angola.
now. Just a little. Then just like the structure, basics form of how that kind of incorporated into breakdancing. How you.
I don't know. It's like totally different.
Okay.
Breakdancing is more like dancing. Capoeira is like martial arts.
Oh, okay. That's cool, man. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks.